Mike Mbuvi Sonko has received a temporary reprieve after the High Court stopped an impeachment motion against him. According to a ruling delivered by Justice Byram Ongaya, the motion sponsored by Makongeni MCA Peter Imwatok shall not proceed until it is filed in compliance with the standing orders of the County Assembly. Sonko had moved to court objecting the motion on grounds that the clerk was not served with a motion or even verified the said signatures. And as Krista now reports, President Uhuru Kenyatta has saved Sonko from any impeachment after majority of the MCAs changed tune in support of the governor after meeting the president at State House.
These were the scenes that welcomed Nairobians in the Central Business District. Heaps of garbage littered all over the streets of Nairobi, the capital city of East Africa's biggest economy, generating the lion's share of the revenue for the country. A total irony of a city that was once nicknamed the Green City in the Sun. A clear indication that something is spectacularly amiss at the Nairobi City County, besides clear lack of leadership.
Wafanyikazi wanaochoro wamekuwa kilalamika sana kulingana na mshahara. Wanafanya kazi lakini hawalipwi. Kwa sasa hivi unavyoona kumejaa takataka kila mahali ukienda, kila mwezi, sasa ni mwezi 4 ishapita, wajalipwa, wanalimkia mshahara yao.
Serikali ya Kenya venye mmechukua kaunti ya Nairobi, harakisheni hizi vitu kama kuchukua taka, kwa sababu ushuru tunalipa kama kawa.
According to Roysambu MCA Peter Warutere, who is a Jubilee member, what happened within the CBD is pure sabotage from some contractors who lost tenders after the national government took over some functions.
We agreed on a moratorium that would ensure that at least National Service takes care of the garbage. They would work on the roads, and actually they are doing that for 50% less than what is actually the market value. So you can imagine what will happen with the brokers, with the contractors. They will start the sabotage so that the NYS does not eat on what they have been doing.
And as Nairobians continued to choke in filth, the embattled governor Mike Sonko, through his lawyers, was in court seeking to stop an impeachment motion against him. It was a temporary reprieve for Sonko after Justice Byram Ongaya ruled that the motion will not be debated until the motion is filed in accordance with the standing orders. The sponsor of the motion, Makongeni MCA Peter Imwatok, maintains that he is ready to follow the due process until they ensure that Sonko is sent home.
This man, as he stands there, is a shell by himself. Therefore, for us as a county assembly, is to exercise now Article 181 of the Constitution, which gives us powers to impeach.
Among the options that he had was dissolving Nairobi. But he felt like probably it was not the right time for him to dissolve Nairobi, or even for us to do the impeachment and then go through the legal process of appointing another, electing another governor. It would be very expensive. It would take probably another six wasted months for Nairobians.
Impeachment ya Mike Sonko, president aliingilia. Mimi kama mbunge mmoja wa Nairobi, naweza sema president kuingilia alifanya mzuri. Kwa sababu Nairobi County kutoka January 2018 imekuwa haina deputy governor. Kumaanisha kama Mike Sonko angekuwa impeached, hiyo ni kuweka account into crisis.
On Saturday, President Uhuru Kenyatta summoned all MCAs affiliated to the ruling Jubilee Party and whipped them to drop any intention of impeaching Governor Sonko.
We went to State House. We sat down with the president. He said that irrespective of our current position, the operative word that he used was for now. So for now, he said we need to give services to Nairobians.
Minister wa devolution, Eugene Wamarwa, lazima aelewe watu wa Nairobi wanahitaji nini. Hiyo pesa yote yenye hatukuwa tunaona kwenye inaenda, saa hii tunataka tuifill in all the 17 constituencies.
It is a temporary reprieve for Governor Mike Mbuvi Sonko as the High Court saved him from an impeachment motion. Meanwhile, the Speaker of the Senate, Ken Lusaka, is also expected to give a communication during the Tuesday afternoon session, given that there was an already given direction by his deputy that these issues should be investigated by 2 committees of the Senate. Last week, Senate Speaker Ken Lusaka suspended an investigation ordered by Deputy Speaker Kithure Kindiki into the transfer of Nairobi County government's functions to the national government. Lusaka played a major role during the signing and official handover of the 4 functions from the county government and is therefore privy to the backroom deal that was struck. Chris Dairo, KTN News.
Now, it was